thirsty bird.
It's art time with Mr. Mayberry. Let's get busy.
Welcome to Art Time with Mr. Mayberry. Origami is the ancient Japanese art of folding paper. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a drinking bird. So let's get started. It's time to fold. Okay, we start with a square piece of paper. Fold the bottom to the top. Try to line it up the best you can. Press good on the fold. Open it up. Then we turn the paper so that the crease is vertical. Fold the bottom to the top again. Then open it up. Then we turn it like a diamond. Fold the bottom to the top. So we fold it in half like a triangle. Press good on the fold. Open it up. Turn it so that this fold is vertical. And fold the bottom to the top again. To make another triangle. There are several ways to do the next step to get where we want to be, but this is one that I think works fairly well. Turning it upside down, and then I open the end and press down inside and fold these two pieces back together. Then I want to flip it over and do the same thing again. Open the end, press this down inside, and fold it together like this. Make sure that the open part is at the bottom. Next we will take the lower left or lower right hand section that's on top here, and we're going to fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center, right along the crease that we have there already. Press good on your fold. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other half. Fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center. Okay, next we want to turn it on the back and do the same thing. Fold the bottom right edge over so it lines up down the center crease. It will also line up with the part that we folded on the other side. Then do the same thing to the other half. Press good on all your folds. Next, you see this triangle section at the top. We're going to fold that straight down, right along this edge, and press down good. And we lift it up, turn it over, and do the same thing on this side. Fold it down over the edge. What we're doing here is we're trying to loosen this up so that it makes the next part easier. So we do that, then we flip it over and do it back this way again, and you do back and forth several times until it's nice and easy to fold. Then we open the two sides. We're going to open the bottom and it should fold on this crease that we just made. We're going to lift this up. It's going to make a tall diamond. You have to work with the creases on the inside here so that you have creases already to fold on, and you want to make sure that it does fold on those creases and not create new creases. You work with those until you get it to fold on the creases. In the middle, pieces should line up together side by side, but not overlap. And press down on all your folds. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. You open these two side pieces. It's going to fold right here in the middle as we lift it up. And it should fold along the creases on the sides at an angle to make a tall diamond. And this diamond should line up with the one that we have on the other side. Okay, let's take this flap right here and fold it over to the right. Then we're going to lift up this part right here. Okay, next we're going to take this right edge and fold it down the middle, across the middle. Okay, lift that up and fold the left edge down across the middle. Okay, lift that up and you should have an X right here. Okay, next we're going to take and fold this side over to the back, and when you do, this part here should lift up and go together like that. So here's from the front on both sides. Okay, next we're going to take this top part and fold it over to make a bird beak. Okay, now we're going to put this, take it from the outside and put it on the inside. Lift it up, open the end, push it down inside, and then fold it back together. You want it sticking out horizontally. So make adjustments. Okay, we'll take and open this front part. This will be the bowl. Hold it underneath. And then we lift up, thumb on one side, forefinger on the other. We lift up under here and it will make a pecking motion. The bird will, as a bird drinks the water. Or could be eating birdseed. And this is our project for today, a drinking bird.
Well, if you like this project, you might check out my YouTube channel, Origami Time with Mr. Mayberry. Thanks for coming to art class, and I'll see you next time.
See you later, Hi, bye.